got it put together. Thank you. I'll show you. I'll make another video of me putting it in there with the cats and seeing how they like it and what they do. I'm gonna do some more to it down the line. I'm gonna sand the outside so it's smooth and it has from the flat boards going across the rollers. I'm gonna probably paint it and hopefully they use it. I don't know. My cats, I don't know. We'll see. They've obviously never seen one of these before, so I don't know. Well, thank you for watching. I'm Max Dean. If you want to really help me out, you could subscribe, you could just leave a comment or a dislike or a like or whatever you'd want to do. That'd be fantastic. It all helps. You might think that leaving an ugly comment is going to destroy me, but the reality is interaction is interaction, and that's what counts. So keep that in mind when you're trying to mess somebody up on their video or whatever. If you comment, it helps them. So I'm being honest. Thank you for watching. I'm Max Dean, and I'll talk at you later. Bye.